under.
Oh, what the hell?
Okay.
Thought why you put a squirrel up top.
Yeah. Happy
What's
birthday. Yeah, birthday gift for Victor and I.
Oh.
$40 each. From him and me.
Oh, thank
So
you.
$80. So you go buy your clothes.
I go buy new pants. I lost a lot of weight.
You look like you lost a lot of weight too.
Yep.
This shirt used to be very tight on your mom.
Yeah, I lost a lot of weight.
Oh, you did lose a lot of weight.
Yeah. So.
Your stomach's not so pudgy.
I know.
Good job. Fine. Jack, what are you doing?
Nothing.
You doing nothing? Oh, Dad, do it again, Dad. Dad, do it again.
You don't like the camera.
Pogo.
Maybe this is heaven, maybe that's just you. I don't trust my judgment, cause I'm just 22. My mind just runs in circles, my heart is out in.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bye. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Đừng blow it.
Do you feel the same? Do you feel the same? Do you feel that I can't make my mind up? I don't know what to do. I'm trying to be honest. See a point of view. So you tell me that you're leaving, but I wish you would stay. I think that this is worth it, but do you feel the same?
Max. Oh, dang it. Ready? There you go. There's yours.
Yeah.
That's mine.
It's so pretty. Oh, you got a large?
Yeah, they're large.
Oh, I should have gotten a large. It's okay. Where we at?
We are in Minneapolis.
Okay.
Not telling you where. That's my spot.
It's not a spot. And I look like this. I was doing chores all day, and then he took us on a teacup and date today after I completed all the chores.
I wake up to you in the morning. You tell me how you're feeling. Seem like your body don't know how to hold you. So maybe I can instead. You got so many battles you don't need to fight. Feel it with you every time it isn't feeling right. I wish I could take your pain. You're dealing with some things I've never seen in life. You hurt them, but it don't show on a house.
So I am trying to scare my husband. I'm in between our little closets here, and I'm just waiting for him to go up the stairs and scare him. And I've been standing here for the past 5-10 minutes now. And I'm just waiting.
2,000 years later.
What's her light? What's her light? I'm jumping in bed. Boom!
We're at Taco Bell right now. And we're about to go to Arby's and McDonald's. We're supposed to be dieting, but
Go!
so I got Arby's. We got Arby's, my husband and I. This is mine actually. I got some curly fries and chicken tenders. Here's McDonald's. This is my husband's. He got a large fry and he got a McDouble. And this is my husband and I Taco Bell. He got a 5 beefy layer burrito. I got a chicken quesadilla. And guys, these are so good. The cinnamon delights. They're so yummy. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it looks so gorgeous. It is so good. Mmm. If you never had it, it's so good. I'm recommending you guys to have some. It's so good. Okay, time to eat. Peace. I got my first COVID shot.
A few moments later.
Just got up from a 2 to 3 hour nap and this shot knocked me out. Because we are gonna be prepping for tomorrow. And this dude's taking forever to get out.
What are you waving at?
My camera.
You're like,
Ma花钱。
哦，我那路好，
啊，不要嘛。
他起码其实好挂起来，
这直播什么
他啥都不用那是。
呀？这直播什么？
我那路好，都那路。
You make this or Michael made it?
Kunga.
Kuluna?
Yeah.
I gotta go do my job.
I know. It's like, what do your job, baby?
I guess the more.
Huh?
The job more, huh?
Oh, okay.
Because we're eating lunch now.
Okay, go do your job, baby.
Okay.
I haven't been vlogging because I'm busy recording what's actually going on today. And we're eating now. Well, my husband's eating.
You're not eating?
I'm not eating because I'm full off of caffeine. I went to caffeine.
Okay, I love that caffeine.
No, I went to go get caribou earlier and I got 2 espresso shots because I've been up since 4. Hello?
I'm trying now. It's alright. It's good.
Okay.
They got family drama.
So I've been setting up for my little cousin and my nyas, Hupling Kitay. We did a backdrop. Isn't it pretty? And then my sisters and I were contributing to do the dessert table. And this is how we set it up. And I got the Sip Sip Hurry from Amazon. I got the flowers off of Amazon. And then since it's COVID, we put the fruits in the containers. We put our candy wrappers. And this is how it is. It's so cute, and here's a little gift. Sorry, because I edited that. How are you feeling? You going to night again?
I don't know. Maybe not.
Can you do laundry too?
Laundry? I did laundry last week.
Okay.
I don't need laundry. Is laundry yours?
I'm lazy. I just want to edit today. I love you.
Me too.
What are you getting?
Corn dessert. So good.
Nava with bucket.
Nava bucket. I guess if you want to say it like that.
Huh?
I guess if you want to say it like that.
We're at Maplewood Mall now.
Yes, we is.
Yeah, I getting my kopya. And yeah, we're just waiting for it to be done, and we're gonna head out after. It's so windy, but we got it. We got the kopya, and then he got, what is it? Honeydew smoothie. They don't have any bubble there, boba pearls, so he just got it plain. Time to go home and eat. Thanks, baby. Thanks for driving.
Thanks for buying.
No problem. Time to eat. Yeah.
Oh, they eat pork skin too?
So I don't like pork skin in mine. They give me some chili oil. And here comes the most delicious thing ever. It is loaded, y'all. It is so good. Zoom in moment. Look at that. That's so much. It's so good. It's so much kangai. Look how red it is. Yum. Okay. I'm gonna eat some. Look how delicious it looks. That's my mother-in-law and my husband in the back. Wow, 酒力量 but it's so good. Oh, it's so spicy, but it's so good. It's so yummy. Jinjia. I told you. Chị ghê vậy?
Come on, come on.
Có ghê vậy?
Go to practice.
Practice right now. Yeah, so ugly.
I'm doing my meat.
But this will be the end of the April vlog. Peace. I love you better today.